Our group is studying India, which is located in southern Asia and it is bordering the Arabian Sea and the Bay of the Bengal. The weather in India changes pretty often with tropical monsoons in the south and temperate in the north. Also, India faces water pollution problems. In the southern region, there is an upland plain that is known as the Deccan Plateau, following with deserts in the west of India. The government throughout India is federal republic, having an executive, judicial, and legislative branch, like we do in the United States. A very important day in India is August 15th, 1947, because this is when they get their independence from the United Kingdom. Their national anthem is called the Jana Gana Mana. The population of India is 1.236 billion people, and their age structure consists of 28.5% of the population being under 14 years old, while 40.6% of the population is between the ages of 25 and 54 years old. India has a birth rate of 19.89 births and a death rate of 7.35 deaths, both represented per 1,000 births. Their literacy rate is 62.8%, which means that 62.8% of their citizens over the age of 15 can read and write. Some political issues that surround India that are present today are that they have a high poverty rate, high population, and high corruption. India has close to one-third of the world's extreme poor living within their country and are considered one of the most corrupt countries in the world. There are also a few major health concerns that are present throughout India, which consist of them having a malnutrition problem, high infant mortality, infectious diseases, poor sanitation, and inadequate safe drinking water for their citizens. Now click back on the video. It's right there.
Air pollution, poor management, waste, growing water scarcity, water pollution, and several others are environmental issues that the people of India face on any given day. As far as their progress towards Millennium Development Goals, India has made progress through the basic universal education area, gender equality in education, and global economic growth. But these are only 3 of the 8 fields that they have made progress in. When it comes to India's energy, they are the 4th largest energy consumer in the world behind the US, Russia, and China. India is focused on its energy resources to reach the growing demand of its economy. The main thing is it can be hard for India to satisfy its economy with imported entry to supply and demand. India has experienced electricity shortages due to insufficient fuel, which has caused rolling blackouts. India is big on importing their energy. Their primary source of energy is coal, and in rural areas their energy is the use of traditional biomass. When it comes to India, when it comes to India's natural resources, their coal is the 4th largest reserve in the world. Also, they have a wide, diverse range of minerals. They also produce petroleum, but it seems that it isn't as big as their coal and minerals. India has 304 million hectares of land, and out of that, 264 million hectares have potential for farming. 142 million hectares are cultivated, 67 million hectares are forest land, and 55 million hectares are wasteland or pasture land.